In this video, I will show you how you can change the charging animation of your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, there is no default way to change the charging animation of your Samsung phone. You can only change the charging animation by installing a third-party app on your phone. For that, just open the app drawer, and from here, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your phone. Then tap on open, and from here just select agree and continue. Tap on get started. Now on this page, just tap on discover, and from here just make sure you select see animation. And in this section you will find all the charging animations available in this app. Now just scroll down and select the charging animation which you prefer. For an example, I'll select this one. Now to set this animation as your charging animation, just swipe the slider to the right side, then enable this toggle. And after that, on this page, just enable the toggle for Pikachu. Then just go back and swipe the slider one more time. Now from here you can customize the charging animation as you prefer. If you want to turn off the music or the sound of the animation, you can disable this toggle. And also in play duration, you can select the duration for the charging animation. You can select any duration from 5 seconds up to 3 minutes. And also you can set it in a loop. I'll select 5 seconds. Now after that, you can select the closing method. By default, it is on double click, but you can set it on single click. Now if you only want to show this animation on the lock screen, you can enable this toggle, but I'll keep it disabled so it will show on the home screen too. Now after you customize the animation as you prefer, then tap on setup now and tap on OK. Now if I go to the home screen or the lock screen and if I plug in my phone into charge, it will show this charging animation. As you can see, we have successfully changed the charging animation of our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.